What's going on, everybody? Probably can't see my face because of this bright sun and the shadow, but thank you for clicking on the clip. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, comment, make some noise, get them algorithms kicking on this page. Yeah, here I am. Hello. Update on the greenhouse. PVC pipe. Endless loop air system run by 12-volt solar power. Yeah, here we go. Check it out. Cheap Chinese solar panels. They're not producing what they say they're supposed to produce. Every once in a while I gotta hook the battery charger up to it. Got 3 batteries, 3 charge systems hooked up to the batteries. As you can see, there's only 5. There's a little pump down here, 12 volt. I just hooked this up today. Hopefully it doesn't put too much of a draw on the batteries. But yeah, a little bitty thread-in stainless valves going into my pea soup ponds full of guppies. Yeah, another little valve. Ironically, I gotta walk over this. That one's not bubbling too great. That one's bubbling pretty good. I hope I don't drop my phone in one of these. Yeah, massive guppies. And we got my calico cichlid tank, calico convicts, calico and pink actually. Paradise gourami who have actually bred, and there's now babies in there. There's one of the babies. Neat little aquaponics deal going on. A little 40 gallon an hour USB water pump. I gotta hook the thing back up because I unplugged it. How you do with old freezers? And turn it into a fish breeding pond. I'll overflow in case I catch babies and babies come out while I'm doing water changes. Everything fills up here at the bottom of the greenhouse. I can scoot the babies out. This has got Julies in it. This is still cycling. Don't fall in. They've got guppies and sunburst platies. It's still cycling. More guppies. More air valves. A couple of blank spots where new IBC totes will be going. These are Bumblebee kickbacks, genetic kickback rejects. So kick them back to the old platy deal, not the Bumblebee style. And here we got guppies, platies, and actually we have royal flush peacocks in here too. They rarely come up to the surface. Got some apple snails and everything else in here too. More guppies, swordfish. And yeah, so that takes care of that. Solar system, a little bit dusty, but I think I need to add another battery or 3. Some actual panels that produce what they're supposed to. But yeah, it's growing, it's going, and we're doing good, shipping fish weekly. Alright everybody, thanks a lot. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the comment button. If you haven't taken part in the free fish giveaway, don't forget to find the video with that in it. Follow the instructions. Say done when you're done, and it'll enter you in the free fish giveaway. Round 2's coming up next month. Round 1's already done. We had 2 winners because, well, we only had 2 players. So hopefully we have more than 2 next time. Actually, I think we're up to about 3 or 4 at this point. But, alright, thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it. Have a great one.